Alright. Here we go. Jeremy, come back here. No, we have cable. Okay, say hi to Jeremy.
Hi.
That's Jeremy. I'm Marty. And today, we're going to show you this thing. First let me show you this. As you can see, it's 0.006 volts. And it's changing. As you can see now, it's 5 and 6 and it changes. I don't know why. This is the item that we made. It's some kind of energy thing. This green wire here is the antenna. And we're just going to hold it up a little bit. Okay, Jeremy, hold this. Just come over here so you can reach it. And he's just holding it up. Now you can see, there he is. He's holding it up. That's all he's doing. That's just the wire. He's holding the whole unit up. And now it's fluctuating, but it's up to 0.02. Well, it's moving a lot. I don't know why it's doing that, actually.
Because I'm moving the wire, that's why.
Okay.
I'm moving the wire.
Well, don't move the wire. Okay. So we're going to... I'm going to set this camera down for a second. We're going to wrap it around a piece of welding rod.
Hi, camera people. I said hi, camera people.
Yes, you did. Jeremy is my assistant today. There you go. Now hold that up in the air. Now hold it down here. There you go. Well, you can hold it right there. Hold that up in the air. Hold it up high.
It's hard because it's wiggling.
Yeah, well, hold it. Here, hold it right there. There. Hold it tight.
It's still wiggling.
And as you can see, it's still changing and doing weird things. Alright, now let's see if we can hold it up higher. Now I'm holding it. Now, as you can see, now this thing calls for ceramic capacitors, and I used Mylar, so I'm not sure if that makes a difference or not. But as you can see, there's the unit. Get it out of the... There we go. It's just soldered together pieces. It's actually two of them. Cost me all of $8 for the parts plus shipping. Here you go, Jeremy. Hold this up. No, not up there. Hold it down toward the bottom as much as possible. There you go. Hold it tight. Hold it up high. Okay. Hold it up high. Now, as you can see, this thing has gone down. So I'm not sure what's going on or why it's doing this, but it does change.
Man, gooses
Here,
are huge.
Jeremy, change that. Hold that.
Gooses are huge, man.
For me to see. Hold it for me to see.
What?
You have to hold it so I can see it. Turn it around so I can see it. There you go.
Marty, I saw gooses flying low and they're huge.
Yep, they are. Okay, turn it so I can see it. There we go. Don't move it.
Sorry.
Alright, now I'm holding up the antenna part, and as you can see, it fluctuates a little bit. Stop moving that, Jeremy.
It's hard.
It's fluctuating to 0.04. As you can see, it's changing. I'm moving around the antenna that you can't see. Now, somebody had said, here, hold that. Somebody had said that this particular thing, they learned about it in high school or something. Stand right there. Stand right there. And all it does is pull power from power lines and whatnot. But as you can see, way over there is our only power lines. So there's no power lines above us or around us except for way over there. Now, I don't know if that's making a difference or not, But we do have a transformer on the other side of the trailer, and I did not see. Now, as you can see, let me get in on this. That's a .017.
My hand's starting to get tired. Both of them.
Hold that. Now I'm holding this up, and it's .031, 3031, so it's fluctuating right there. So I don't know what's going on. Take that. But it does change. And as you can see, now it's up to 42. I don't know why it's changing. So I'm going to try a few things and see what we can do here. And maybe we can get this thing up in the air. There's a satellite dish that doesn't do anything. So I don't know. We're going to figure this out, and we'll be back. Okay, well, we've made a couple of changes. We changed the item we're using for an antenna, and now, as you can see, if Jeremy will stop moving it, it's up to .35, basically .35, roughly. And what I'm using for an antenna, oddly enough, is an old aluminum door frame piece. And what you didn't see just a second ago was, okay, Jeremy, you need to stop moving that.
I can't.
Don't move it.
My hand's shaking.
Well, then
My
use
hand
both
shakes all
hands.
the time.
We actually had half a volt for a second there. So we're gonna move this.
This hand is less shaky.
Okay.
Their hand is more shaky.
Now this is just with it leaning on my shoulder, and as you can see, it's still fluctuating, but it's holding there at approximately 0.4. So we're gonna move. Come on. Over here, I have this piece of wood over here. Come on. Alright, this is actually the stand for my tomato plants last summer. So, Jeremy, you hold this.
I can't carry two things.
Yes, you can. Okay, see that? What you see there is what you're pointing at.
You alright?
Alright, give me this.
Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Now, what we seem to have gone, we've actually dropped here. Alright.
With one eye, it works better.
Yeah, do that. You don't need an eye. Alright. Hold on to that for a second, please. Okay. Now, as you can see, with it just sitting there, .48 and climbing, or dropping as the case may be.
Looks like it's moving.
But it's .4. Roughly .47 volts.
I want to work the camera again.
So
I like camera. I like working.
And I don't know
Looking at the camera.
Let's see if getting this higher, getting the actual item up higher in the air makes a difference. It does not. In fact, it drops the voltage.
Can I work the camera again?
So, just a minute.
Alright, I look camera.
Okay. 0.457456. So we're getting a voltage of 0.4, almost half a volt.
Yo, Mark, do you have any plans for those bees?
Just a minute. So we're getting 0.45, so almost half a volt out of this. I do have another one, so we're going to test it out. And we're going to test some more stuff out. But for now, let me see if I can find this. Again, here, Jeremy, can you hold that, please?
What about the camera?
So for now, this basically unit, there it is. It's odd. It's on the video, and as you can see, it's actually, yeah, see, I moved it and then the voltage dropped. I put it back down and it's, so I'm going to do some more changes, do some more looking into this, but I mean, I'm actually getting voltage from somewhere. Question is where? And we'll figure that out. And I'll let you guys know what happens.